more information, of course, through sources. What we are learning other than the raids that are now being taking place, as far as when it comes to these terrorists are concerned, the Pakistani terrorists who were given shelter here, now when it comes to Baisaran Meadow, it was not just one location that was on their target list. There were other locations as well. What is being said that they recceed at least 3 different locations that were said on that target list. And what is being said that apart from Baisaran Valley, reconnaissance that was also conducted in 3 other locations as well. The attack, however, they could not take place because of the presence of security in those locations. And what is being said that Betab Valley was one of them. There was an amusement park as well that was said to be on the radar of these terrorists. Priyank, coming back to you on that. Priyank, the information coming in that the terrorists, how many days that they were present in the same area just before the attack? How did the OGWs help them logistically, financially as well, and also helping them doing recce of different locations? What were the other areas and locations on the terror target list?
See, Amita, our colleague Anuj from our sister network has also reported from this particular amusement park. We can play out that report because we'll move towards the right. Right, Cherry? So we have come to the location where the National Investigating Agency officials have moved to the location. Give me 2 seconds, Amita, before I can get on from the vehicle.
So when it comes to the information, as Priyank is suggesting that because we are going to stay with those pictures there, of course, when it comes to the operations, we cannot show any live pictures that are now coming across. But as through sources, what we are learning, the information with regards to the investigation that has been taking place, what is being said that there was evidence of at least 3 satellite phones that were being used in the valley that has also been traced just before the attack. There were signals. Priyank, what we are learning, if you can speak on this now, there were at least signals from 2 of these phones that have also been traced by the investigative agencies. Can you hear me now, Priyank? Continue, please.
Yes, Amita. There were 2 mobile location intercept, which was also spotted by the officials here. But we have come to this location from where the Baisaran Valley actually starts, and the officials have gone up the hill to assess the situation. On the other side, while talking about the information, there were multiple phone calls which were kept under the radar of the agency soon after this particular incident happened. And what we have got to know that there were 2 sat phone imagery which was also spotted by the officials soon after this incident happened. Colleague Sohail had also broken this information, which clearly showed that how there were Chinese hardwares which are used by these terrorists. Earlier in the stage, we also got to know that the officials of the NIA had also got information that the mobile handset of 2 of the people who were shot dead by these accused by the terrorists was also snatched away from them. Later to that, what we also got to know that these mobile handphone data, the mobile were connected to these Chinese hardware, and which was used as a sat phone by the accused by the terrorists to give the information back to their handlers who were trying to get the information in the while this particular attack was being carried out. What we have also got to know that the NIA has questioned several individuals with the help of the Jammu and Kashmir police because over the period of last 4-5 years, the NIA actually broke down the operational detail of these terror network, and I also got the information regarding the financial activities was being done by these accused.
So they had the inputs that are being scanned just days before the attack, because what is being said that there was absolute radio silence as far as when it comes to any communication by these terrorists. So how well it was planned and orchestrated, and the role that was played by the OGWs, now the crackdown that seems to be taking place, and what all locations were on their terror hit list. That is also something where over 2,500 individuals across Jammu and Kashmir who have been rounded up and are being investigated and interrogated as well.